And who is the supreme to me, lord? May I hurt it? Master, does this kill please you? I could use some healing, your omnipotence.
The power of Crust compels you. Fear not, Necro. Crust King will smite down your enemy. Oh, look, a toenail.
Carnby didn't mind the dust of the mines, but the eye-watering stench of the sewers was not his cup of tea. The occultists' bodies had ballooned post-mortem. Their pale, stagnant corpses were waterlogged.
Your death was foretold in the prophecy. They will not be bested by demons. Pretender. The creature thought it could rend my mind and live. But now its flesh burns within the belly of Thumbershode.
This is your summon screen. Here you can unlock new summons or upgrade your current ones. Go ahead and assign an upgrade to your Scourge summon.
I bet you'll nug it up fine. This sword is stupid. What are you, chicken? Cluck, 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 cluck. Nightmares? No. This is your soul, burning, screaming for relief, begging to be devoured.